Hello everyone, welcome to Quiz Time, a quick and easy way to practice current affairs GK questions on daily basis and to nail your vocabulary for the reading comprehension section as well. Let's get started with today's quiz. Date is 1st of June 24. The questions are based on your daily newspaper. So let's begin with the first question, GK. All right, number one. Recently, who became chair of the Colombo, a regional consultative forum consisting of 12 member states from South and Southeast Asia? Options are Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, or India. Correct answer देख लेते हैं. The correct answer is India. India has become the chair of the Colombo process for the very first time since its inception in 2003. It is focused on the management of the overseas employees and and protection of migrant workers. Moving on to question number two. Telangana Formation Day or Telangana Day is celebrated every year on 31st May, 1st June, 2nd June, or 3rd of June. Correct answer, let's see. The correct answer is June 2. Next question. India's youngest state, Telangana, was carved out of which state on 2nd June 2014? Let's take a look at the options. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, or Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next question. How many legislative assembly constituencies are there in Arunachal Pradesh? Your options are 36, 40, 50, or 60. Let's see who knows this one. Try to come up with the answer before I reveal them. The correct answer is 60. There are total 60 legislative constituencies in Arunachal Pradesh. Next question. Next question. In a recently contested election, which party has won the majority and will form the government in the state of Arunachal Pradesh? Your options are BJP, Congress, National People's Party, or People's Party of Arunachal. Let's check the correct answer. The correct answer is BJP. BJP returned to power in Arunachal Pradesh for the third time as it won 46 seats out of 60. Next question. How many legislative assembly seats are there in Sikkim? 32, 40, 44, or 48? Let's take a look at the correct answer. The correct answer is 32. Number 7. Which party has won the majority and will form the government in the state of Sikkim? Let's take a look at the options. BJP, Congress, Sikkim Krantikari Morcha, or Sikkim Democratic Front. Revealing the correct answer now. It's Sikkim Krantikari Morcha. Sikkim Krantikari Morcha won 31 out of 32 seats. Next question. What is the name of the policy that deals with expenditure and taxations policies decision of the government? Is it the monetary policy? Is it the fiscal policy? Is it the trade policy? Or is it the prediction policy? Revealing the correct answer right now, eyes on the screen. It's fiscal policy. Fiscal policy deals with the decision making in expenditure and taxation policy decisions by the government. Next one. Who releases the government's fiscal deficit data? Is it done by the finance minister, finance secretary, controller general of accounts, or controller and auditor general? Correct answer coming up right now. It's controller general of accounts. Controller general of accounts, CGA. Last question for today's GK quiz. Which state or UT has recently declared human rabies as a notifiable disease under the Epidemic Diseases Act of 1897? Is it West Bengal? Is it Ladakh? Is it Jammu and Kashmir or Kerala? Answer, correct answer coming right up. It's Jammu and Kashmir. All right, we are done with the GK quiz, but picture abhi baki hai mere dost. As I always say, don't just leave right now. It's vocabulary time. Question number one, very quickly, 5 minutes, 10 questions. Here we go. Number one, the government launched a campaign to dash the economy in rural areas. Options are sap, innovate, revitalize, or depress. We are talking about a campaign जिसमें इकोनॉमी को बूस्ट करने की कुछ कोशिश करी गई है इन रूरल एरियाज जो इकोनॉमिकली चैलेंज्ड हैं. सो ऑप्शंस लाइक सैप, इनोवेट एंड डिप्रेस का मतलब होगा उसको और डिक्लाइन करना, कम करना. The correct answer is रिवाइटलाइज, उसको नए तरीके से उस पे वर्क करके टू हेल्प द रूरल एरियाज, revitalize the economy. Number two, the board meeting ended in dash as members couldn't agree on the budget proposal. Your options are accord, dissension, concord, solidarity. क्योंकि members couldn't agree on a budget proposal तो accord नहीं होगा, concord नहीं होगा because both of them indicate agreement on one thing. Solidarity means it ended in peace. That is also not the case. So we have a correct answer, which is dissension, disagreement. Number three, using a dash, the politician softened the impact of his controversial statement. Your options are dysphemism, euphemism, crudeness, and bluntness. It clearly says the politician softened the impact of a controversial statement. कई बार हम कोई controversial या harsh statement को express करने के लिए direct language का use नहीं करते हैं. So bluntness या crudeness would indicate the straightforwardness and directness of the speech. So these two are eliminated. Dysphemism and euphemism. Euphemism is a way to express words in a way कि वो कोई भी harsh चीज को एक pleasant way में present कर सके. For example, a very common example of euphemism is instead of saying someone has died, we generally use the phrase he or she has passed away. So that is a more pleasant way of expressing. डिस्फेमिज्म क्या हो जाएगा? कोई डेरोगेटरी या बहुत ही अनप्लेजेंट सा वर्ड यूज करना उसकी जगह पे. करेक्ट आंसर इज यूफेमिज्म. यूजिंग अ यूफेमिज्म, अ वे जिससे कि हार्श या कंट्रोवर्शियल स्टेटमेंट प्लेजेंट लगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The dash lifestyle of the celebrity drew both admiration and criticism from the public. Your options are moralistic, ascetic, hedonistic, or Spartan. Here the term moralistic would indicate having a lifestyle which जिसमें आप morals को include करते हो बहुत ज़्यादा. Then we have a Spartan lifestyle. Spartan lifestyle indicates a lifestyle जो कि बहुत disciplined है and you follow a strict schedule, a very not an extravagant lifestyle, but to the contrary, very focused and very simple lifestyle. Then we have hedonistic. Hedonistic indicates a very self indulgent lifestyle where you are a lot more indulgent in your own pleasures than anything else. On the contrary, ascetic lifestyle indicates not indulging in any of the worldly pleasures. So the correct answer here is hedonistic. Number five. Her success story dashed the American dream for many aspiring entrepreneurs. Your options are embodies, personifies, epitomizes and obscures. यहाँ पे हम अगर एक common simple word use करें तो वो ये होगा कि उसकी success story एक बहुत ही अच्छा example है दूसरे entrepreneurs के लिए. So for that we have a term epitomizes. Epitomizes indicates the perfect example of something. Obscures would go opposite to the context. It will be किसी चीज को और doubtful बनाना, difficult to understand बना देना. Obscures. Embodies and personifies are much more figurative as compared to epitomize. After the war, the government decided to dash the military to reduce spending. Your options are mobilize, demobilize, deploy, and muster. गवर्नमेंट डिसाइडेड टू डैश द मिलिट्री, रिड्यूस करनी है स्पेंडिंग. सो उसके लिए आर्मी को मोबिलाइज तो नहीं करेंगे, इट इज मोर लाइक एक्टिवेटिंग देम. Then we have deploy and muster. Muster indicates to gather and assemble all over again the troops कुछ initiate करने के लिए. Same goes with deploy. Deploy is again troops को assemble या arrange करना to initiate something. So the correct answer is demobilize. Next. The party's policies were based on a strict ideological dash. Your options are secularism, dogma, empiricism, skepticism. We are talking about a set of principles, and that set of principles is indicated by the term dogma. It's like a fixed set of principles for an institution, here in this case, a party. Policy. अदर ऑप्शंस इंडिकेट जैसे एम्पिरिसिज्म है, इट इंडिकेट्स कि किसी भी चीज को प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज से ही समझा जा सकता है, नॉट बेस्ड ऑन not only relying on the theory, but rather on practical observation as well. Then we have skepticism. Skepticism involves doubts, and it involves question. हर चीज को एक question or doubt करते रहना, not being satisfied with what the thing is. Skeptical means अभी भी इसमें कुछ explanation बाकी है. Then we have secularism, meaning following all religions, not connected to any एक किसी particular religion के बारे में नहीं, but supporting all the religions. Let's move on to the next question real quick. The dash issue of inequality sparked protests across the country. Your options are core, contentious, sore, and soothe. One option that can be eliminated is soothe. Something that soothe will calm you down, would provide you peace. Other options, core. Core means important, very important. But here we are in requirement of a term जो ये indicate करे कि inequality का जो issue है वो अभी भी protest, it can lead to protests. Correct answer here is sore. Sore indicates the painfulness of an issue. So sore is the painful. उस painfulness से हम उसको relate करेंगे. The aching issue, the painful issue. Next is contentious. The term contentious indicates controversy, can be controversial. Number 9, just one more to go after this. The announcement of the concert tickets caused dash among fans, leading to long queues. Your options are repose, pandemonium, serenity, argonium. We are in need of a word. Announcement of concert ticket cost matlab bhagdad mach gayi. It was very chaotic. So the correct answer according to that simple term here is pandemonium, which indicates chaos. Other terms, serenity means being calm. Next is argonium. Argonium is actually an element name. So the correct answer here is pandemonium. Last one for today is her kind words help dash his fears and anxieties. Your options are exacerbate, escalate, assuage, and aggravate. We are looking for term which indicates उसकी anxiety or fears को कम किया. So escalate would be incorrect and exacerbate would also be incorrect. ये indicate कर रहे हैं कि उसे बढ़ा दिया, intensify कर दिया. On the other hand, the term assuage is intensity को कम करना. Aggravate also means intensity बढ़ा दी. This brings us to the end of the quiz. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more such quizzes and stay logical.